Thank you for having me.
Are you doing
Yes, mommy. Continue.
for writing this one exam? And completing in record time. Yes. I wish you all the best with everything.
Thank you.
May God.
Yes.
And to being a CEO.
Yes.
Thank
And
you.
you know what? You know your first pay. Okay, your first pay goes to mom. Your second one goes to me. You need to buy me a Birkin bag. And it's 100K.
Anyway, good morning, guys. I was at my sister's house yesterday at Model Fontaine. Again, her name is Nikki. You guys want to know her name, and also her daughter, my niece, Tando. Yeah, so she takes me to Gautrain to go from here to Centurion. After I'll see my cousin Ushtu.
Got a reputation for yourself now. Everybody knows and I feel left out. Girl, you got me down, you got me stressed out. Cause ever since I left the city, you started waiting less and going out more. Glasses of champagne out on the dance floor. Hanging with some girls I never seen before.
He's a big Lamborghini fan. Anyway, but guys, this is my brother, Tumelo. If you guys don't know, this is Tumelo. Hey, his handle is too long. Sorry. You see me singing, we actually have to... Yeah, okay, you
I'm gonna shed a tear when I saw this guy right here.
let's
Look at this guy. Look at him in this flame. See what this flame is doing. One flame. Second flame.
Hey, fuck you, dog. So yeah, bro, we actually had the anti-social, what's the full name?
Antisocial social club.
Yeah,
Melbourne.
in Melbourne. It's a dope place. I like the aesthetic. You guys want to see a bit of it? Especially dope. He plugged me now. He was like, come through here. Hey guys, this is my boy's whip. Know what I'm saying, man? We're talking about that French. We're talking about that. Guys, I'm with my younger brother. What's the up?
I guess I'm not sure to see.
Alright, cool. He's in 11th grade. And he's a
12 years old.
He's lying. He's like.
I'm 12.
He's 17 this year.
Huh?
17 this year.
I'm 12.
I bet. He said he's 12. It's fine. Okay, it's fine. I'm having the guacamole, rib, and bacon burger. He's having a chicken schnitzel. I just met up with the boy himself. Oh, Uncle Sure, Manu, man. He is. Shout out, boy. Shout out. Great, boy. Shop. I'm also here with other boy, Mr. Durag. He says his wave heat is on 4 out of 6. I'm saying. So when it's on, ask him to. Aisha, one thing is on. You must relax. I'm with the boys. You like a smoke child. What are they saying, boy? I think it's that day, boy, how you were speeding. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Nobile. Happy birthday to you.
It's the irregular.
Yay!
Daddy and the girl. We're 32.
They also really come to the social club, man.
Fucking awesome.
Bro.
And he's been the greatest guest to have in Joburg.
Well, you know what it is, dog. If you
We
have
love having him here.
Do you want a shot?
cheers! Sorry?
You want a tequila shot?
He's gonna be driving you.
Usually lemon with this stuff. I pay for you.
Like I got 2 wheels on me, go ride me like bike. Damn, that's how she saw when I pipe. She said, "How man, nigga, don't do it right." Baby girl, can I get over me? Niggas gon' text me, it's over, I'm staring these eyes. Niggas can't find me like Carmen San Diego, nigga, I'm fire like Colin a Bright. Yeah, no competition, these niggas, little nigga, I'm not in play. That little boy say these song and I'm like, that's my flow over there. You stole it, bitch. Play on my songs and I tell him, boy, I put my soul over there. No cap, no kissing. Baby girl, I just pull up for this smash, she smash, no kissing. I got that cash on me, I need more. And what they say about me, I'm the good. Niggas, they head on me, I'm like, Lord. I tell you, take my dick, say it good. She call me daddy.
Anyway guys, I didn't vlog when I was coming out or whatever, but we're actually now at Ty's 22nd birthday. So,
Hello everybody.
there's the boy.
This my boy here on the Peely. On the Peely. We're in the building, we're about to eat some
Yeah,
good food.
I'm gonna show you the people here and also the food real quick. With the big homie, Rendai. This is Kiana, minute today, guys.
Hi guys, don't forget to subscribe to
Please, dog, please.
King Tiberius.
That's Kiana, say it to the people.
Yo, what's up, guys?
Then the big
Yo, what's going on?
milkshake. What's up, guys? Please show them the cut. Show them the cut real quick. Where we at right now? Where we at?
Mukimania.
Mukimania.
Oh, we're at Ty's.
We're at Ty's, yeah.
Eating some good food. Yeah. It's
wait.
a good time.
Nah, Mama Juanita did the things. She sounds like she's from Brazil, bruh. Oh, like, oh. Even got that cocaine on top.
Only friend who sent you like a Bible verse in the morning.
Facts.
You know? So,
We're not all equal here.
I appreciate him as a brother, as a friend. Always dependable. Get on each other's nerves no matter what, but you know, the love's always there. So, highly appreciative. And it's good to see everybody that he loves here.
Yeah, I'm truly grateful to have all of y'all in my life. And I'm speaking like this, so yeah, so shit doesn't pour it down, you know. So, thank you very much, and yeah, I got much love for all of y'all. Thank you.
Thank you.
Hey, we love you, bro. We love you, bro.
When I first started playing Fortnite with this man, I thought he was a white man with some dreads. I don't know how that correlates, but it is what it is.
Okay, boy.
No.
The first question you have to ask is, how did we meet?
Okay, how did you meet, boy? Through who?
Scarf word lucky landing. It was me, you, Ty, and Ty was still a swat.
But the thing is, I think that time Ty was ahead of us, dog. But
No.
we were trying. That's what I'm saying. We were getting to the point where we can sweat. That's what I'm saying.
Scarf, let me tell you. Ty was a builder, guys. That guy played with men like
Man, like so, I'm gonna tag you.
those are my niggas. I know them from high school.
Boys, we're outside now. We with the president. Treasure. Say hello, just say hello.
The president of Victoria. His name is Treasure. aka Ramu Ramu. Ramu Sharp. Talk to the people, bro. Talk to them fast.
Just say no. Just say
Yellow
say
Bone,
shout out.
Yellow Bone Steve.
Just say shout out.
Whoa.
Shout out to whoever. It's true.
Adiwele so hot, Adiwele,